'cause it's already been told. Happily after only happens in fairy tales, daydreams are never. But I was taught on the stars. Now here you are, shining through the sky, light in my dark. Even stars burn out, but you held the spark. Now here you are to stay. The sky where I'll find, not too far in the stars, that's where you are, shining through the sky, light in my dark. Even stars burn out, but you held the spark. Here in my heart you'll stay.
That's conversation for them, because on the wedding day, they are so excited until they...
Shoot for the stars, aim for your goals. Everyone knows, everyone needs, everyone should have a dream, yeah. And when you love, never look back. Everyone needs, everyone wants, everyone should have someone to love. Everyone needs somebody to love. To love, to love you. Everyone wants, everyone needs, everyone should have someone to love. Everyone wants, everyone needs, everyone should have a dream. Everyone wants, everyone needs, everyone should have a dream. Everyone wants, someone to love, to love, to love. Everyone should have someone to love. I've been a walking heartache, I've made a mess of me. I've been person lately, I don't wanna be, but you stay here right beside me.
Over time, I've been building my castle of love, just for two, though you never knew you were my reason. I've gone much too far for you now to say that I got to throw my castle away over you.
When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I can offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. I'd go hungry, I'd go black and blue.
I'm so in love with you. My desire is to be with you. You bring me pleasure. I'm offering this home from my heart to yours, Jesus. 'Cause you bring me pleasure, and I appreciate you. You see.
There's no more waiting, holding out for love. You are my godsend that I've been forever dreaming of. My angel from above, heaven knows I'm head over heels, and it shows. The way I feel, God only knows that there's something about you when you're around, baby. I have found I get lost in you. Yeah. What is this feeling I've never felt before, that I should dare to swear to surrender evermore? Yeah. That's what I came here for. Heaven knows.
They say it takes a lifetime to find the one worth waiting for. But when I first saw you, I was sure you were the one. There's no fear in my heart, no doubt in my mind, this is it. Yeah, my search is over. I'm ready to seal it with a kiss. And if you take my hand, I won't let you go. And I won't see your flaws. 'Cause your love is all that matters to me. I'll be blind to it all if you let me stay.
As long as we both shall live.
Take no thought of your past. All I want is a future with you.
I, Asha, take you, Marshawn, to be my
I'll
husband.
take all of your baggage, pack it with mine, and we'll make it through.
For richer or poor, in sickness
And
and
if
in
you
health,
take
to love and
my
to cherish, as
hand,
long as we both shall live.
I won't
As
let
God is my witness,
you go, and I won't see your flaws. 'Cause your love is all that matters to me. I'll be blind to it all if you let me stay. Oh.
Love has truly been good to me. Not even one sad day or minute have I had since you've come my way. I hope you know I gladly go anywhere you take me. It's so amazing to be loved. I'd follow you to the moon and the sky above. Ooh, I'd go. Got to tell you how you thrill me. I'm happy as I can be. You have come and it's changed my whole world. Bye-bye, sadness, hello, mellow. What a wonderful day. It's so amazing to be alive. I'd follow you to the moon and the sky above. And it's so amazing, amazing. Whoa, whoa.
made me happy. This you can bear. You stood right beside me, yeah, and I won't forget. And I really love you. You should know. I wanna make sure I'm right, girl, before I let go. We've had our good time. That's not to say, no. We've hurting each other. Girl, it's a shame. I won't be foolish, no. I wanna know. I wanna make sure I'm right, girl, before I let go. Yeah.
Well wishes. Well wishes. All right, we love you guys.
My man Diesel, Big Cook, congrats, baby. We made it. I made it. I'm out here. Look, I brought my men. We out here, baby, for you. Big Cook, much love. Congrats to the couple.
Hey, what's up, man? Hey.
Y'all take care, man, and have a good one.
You're my best friend. And I love you so much.
I'm so excited to be able to have fun with all of my friends and family. I want to thank everybody who has come in and been a part of this day, who has helped us make our vision come true. It's just been an honor and a privilege to be among such excellent people, and we're definitely happy. I speak on behalf of Marsan and myself that we're happy. We love everyone that came out, and we're just excited to see. Oh, here he comes.
Man, I'm so excited, man. This is amazing. This is wonderful. I got all my folks out here. My shoe friends came to support me, man. I'm so grateful for that. And to God be the glory, man. We about to make this thing happen forever. You feel me? So check us out when we make it big and we really in these lights, okay? Thank you.